Train today, excel tomorrow. Welcome back, everyone. It's great to have you here. In today's fast-paced business environment, it's essential to stay connected with different teams to ensure that everyone is on the same page and working towards a common goal. This is exactly what we did during the recent one-on-one meetings with my IT, HR, and marketing teams. Meeting with your management team each week is important for several reasons. Let's get started. So starting with the IT team, I discussed the progress of our mobile app development and how our IT manager should be connecting with the mobile app team to ensure that they are on target and that the app is responsive. With a lot of new hires starting soon, we need to make sure that everyone is up to speed and can hit the ground running. We also spoke with the IT manager about how our QA team member can start updating all spreadsheets and adding new hires to the roster to receive important information and updates each week and to remove anyone who offboarded last term. Additionally, I advised my IT manager to go back through the Canvas course so that they can learn about what their employees should be working on and how to track their work. Moving on to the HR team, I learned that the team is almost full, but everyone is at different training stages. Our HR manager spent some time connecting with recruiters to determine who needs what training and who is done with training. They also connected with our onboarding admin who had a few questions, which we were able to resolve. To ensure that everyone is on the same page, the HR manager will be scheduling a meeting for her HR admin team and management to connect. Lastly, our marketing team is almost completely full. They are looking at digital marketing courses and creating a spreadsheet to determine appropriate KPIs for each division. In conclusion, my recent one-on-one meetings with my IT, HR, and marketing teams were a great success. We were able to discuss the progress of our mobile app development and come up with a plan to ensure that it is responsive and on target. The IT team is working on making sure that new hires are up to speed and that QA team members are updating spreadsheets and rosters. The HR team is connecting with recruiters to determine who needs what training and who is done with training. The marketing team is working on identifying priorities and determining appropriate KPIs for each division. We have a clear plan in place to ensure that we are making progress and achieving our objectives. These meetings were crucial in staying connected with different teams and making sure that everyone is on the same page. If you visited the w.r.a.c website or have worked for this organization, you understand why this work is so important to each and every one of us. Please visit, follow, and subscribe to us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and TikTok at w.r.a.c Resumes. You can check us out on LinkedIn at w.r.a.c Resumes and Connections and follow the owner's personal page. You can also follow us on Twitter at w.r.a.c_resumes. We have a new Fab-Base page and a second TikTok page called Career Catcher where we discuss corporate training. Don't forget to check out our website. And be sure to email us any questions you may have.